In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money to Germany from India. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase one very easy to use tool that allows you to transfer money from India to Germany or to any other destination. So, in this video, I want to present Western Union. They will allow you to do this and you can transfer due to a variety of reasons. So, if you want to transfer to a student, professional, family, friends, and so on, visit westernunion.com. In here, you will be able to sign in or sign up if you have never used their services. Then you can choose Germany as the destination. They also have a mobile app, but I'm going to teach you how to do this through the website. So at the top, you will have send money. You can click on this and then select Germany. So send money to Germany, choose continue, and you can input how much you will be sending or how much you want them to receive. Their exchange rate will be displayed here in the middle of the screen, and you can browse through the delivery methods. It seems like during the time that I'm recording this video, for Germany, they only offer bank account delivery, so keep that in mind. So you will be delivering it through a bank transfer and paying by bank transfer as well. Purpose of transfer, you can choose any of these, transfer to an individual or transfer to a business or institute. And then you will see any included fees. Click continue and then sign up or sign in with your account. Then you will proceed to the verification. You will have to input personal information like your mobile number, date of birth, country of birth, gender, occupation, and then home address. Sadly, I cannot showcase the entire process in this video because it contains personal information, but it is extremely intuitive, and from this point onwards, they will guide you on how to make this payment. Then you input the recipient's bank details and they will be able to receive the money that you've sent over. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if this video answered any questions that you had, a subscription would mean a lot. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.